That goes out to Sam Diggins and Hayden Smith. I miss you guys. We are in week 5 of online learning for English language arts with Miss Kealty. Here we go. Week 5 is April 27th to May 1st. We have made it to May, people. I can't believe it, but here we are. So today is Monday, April 27th, almost May. Week 5, lesson 1. We're going to go over our what, why, and how. I don't know where the agenda went. I must have deleted it. It said agenda at the top. Anyways, we're going to go over our what, why, and how. We're going to do some I ready, and then we're going to have a catch-up day, and I'll explain to you what that means in a little bit. Oh, there's agenda. How did I do that? What? Ooh, fancy. So our what, why, and how today. Our what, we are giving you a day to get your digital distance learning self together. We heard your feedback. By we, I mean the 8th grade language arts teachers. Heard your feedback that you guys need it. You need a day to figure out what you must do, how to get yourself caught up, how to keep yourself on, and how to not get off track. One of the things that I'm going to talk to you about is 2 different types of learners and how both types of learners can use the organizer I made for you guys. So there we go. There's your how. A pretty awesome organizer made for you by the tech-savvy Miss Kealty. Obviously, with that thing that just happened with the agenda, you can tell I'm actually not tech-savvy. And if you've ever been in my classroom, you know I'm not tech-savvy. But I think there is a pretty cool organizer that I made for you guys. I'm not going to lie, I didn't totally make it. I used a template, but I did do some fun stuff with it. Okay? So here we go. We're going to start with some I ready. I really like this slide. I don't know why. Those flowers up in the top right corner like literally don't even look real. They kind of look like Alice in Wonderland flowers. Anyways, so we're going to start with some I ready today. Remember, you guys do get an I ready grade each week for your minutes. So you should be keeping up with how long you are on I ready. So your to-do list. There are 2 categories of 8th graders right now. There are those who are staying on track that would like to continue to stay on track, but just maybe need a little bit of help organizing. And then there are those 8th graders who are trying to catch up, who have 1 or 2 missing assignments, but 1 or 2 missing assignments for multiple classes is a little bit difficult to keep up with. Some of you guys are also still struggling with stuff from the first week in different classes, not just my class, right? So you do an assignment for science and then you get it turned back to you because you need to fix something with some sort of science-y thing. I don't know. You might need to fix like a science equation or a science algorithm or whatever, something about talking about weather and location and I don't know. But you might get it turned back to you and you might have to redo it. This tracker is hopefully going to help you take care of what you need to do. So I have provided a video for you all below today's lesson video in Google Classroom, and you are going to need to watch that video. You're going to click on your preferred link, whether it is in Loom or in YouTube, and you're going to watch that video. You have to watch the video because it explains to you how I would like your sheet to be set up. You are not going to submit your tracker, if you will, your to-do list, your work tracker. I've changed the name of it like 10 times. So your to-do list, you're not going to submit it at the end of class today because I would like it to be a living, breathing document that you're able to update throughout the week. And I'm going to ask for your feedback and see if you want to continue using that throughout digital distance learning or if you thought it was a waste of time. Regardless, I do not want you to submit it because I want you to be able to continue to work on it and change things. I can check things even if you haven't turned them in. I can see them as like a working document, and I would like to see that at the end of the day today or tomorrow when I go in and check your materials. Okay, so you do need to do the to-do list or the catch-up to-do list or the staying on track to-do list, whatever you choose to call it. You must complete that in Google Classroom, or, you must continue to work on it throughout this week. Do not submit it. Okay, peeps? I will see you all tomorrow.